This is Berlin, the humble capital of Germany. In this video, I will show you how you can spend your 2 days in the heart of Germany. The streets of Berlin are not very crowded, as you can see. This is an electronic manufacturing company. And yes, the Berlin architecture is really fantastic, and I couldn't help myself looking at it. It's really clean. The detailed color scheme on the metros are on point. On the way to my hotel, I came across this loud parade. A lot of bikers, and fascinatingly, it was accompanied by policemen on their bikes as well. Like they were taking out the flags. I don't know what's going on. Well, should I try Korean food? Let me know. You can find tons of graffiti all around. People love more doner kebabs and Asian food compared to pizzas, I think. But the burgers are pretty good. You can definitely try. The Germans are quite strict and disciplined. I love the fact how everyone is busy with their own bustling life. Yeah, the streets are very clean, as you can see. I was walking by the European Union Administrative Building, and even the architecture around it is so neat. Yeah, you can see greenery as well as slates, so it's kind of peaceful. Yes, you can find ferries and small cruises for the tourists who actually accompany here. You can use your Google Maps, it's fairly fun to use. Well, some of these ferries can be really expensive. If you are liking this video, do hit the like button and watch till the end. There are some fun things at the end. And I was approaching the Reichstag. In German, I can't pronounce, sorry. And it's a German word generally meaning a parliament, more directly translated as Diet of the Realm. Yeah, it's an iconic thing during the World War II. Now if you go there, it's a really nice touristic place. So many flags dominating German power. Yeah, that's a selfie of myself in front of the Reichstag. This is Humboldt University of Berlin. It's very prestigious for the students who actually come abroad. This is the Brandenburg Gate. Yeah, it's an iconic historic place, and as you can see, a lot of people around here having fun and clicking photographs. Yeah, this is a sensitive matter. This is a peaceful protest done by some Hong Kong students regarding some issues which I didn't really ask them, but as I saw, a lot of Chinese and Hong Kong students were there. They were actually drawing and painting some messages. Yes, apparently my first time at Starbucks. This is a musical opera just opposite to the Humboldt University. And that particular day I was lucky to see that it was an event sponsored by BMW. So you can see a lot of cars. See this, an automated road sweeping vehicle. How innovative. All the delegates were in black and suits. You can see everyone is in black almost. Of course, a pic. There was a small food and music carnival just inside the university. Do leave your comments what you think. Well, I was unaware of the fact that I needed a pass and a ticket to actually go inside the university at the time. So that brings to the end of my mini vlog in Berlin. I just spent only 2 days, so this was all I could visit in those 2 days. Do leave your comments, it's very nice to reply to them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would be coming back with some more videos. Till then, have a nice time.